Less is a Linux pager command that allows you to view the content of a file one page to at a time. It is a similar to more command, but it having additional features like a search for the text within a file, scroll up and scroll down and search number of occurrences where previous occurrence and next occurrence. Like this we can search the content. So with the help of less, what happens, just less file name, it opens the file, so entire screen will be fit that entire file. But what is the flexibility here? We can travel to one page to another page very easily. When you observe the more command, if we are in end of the page, we cannot move to backward, but in less command we can move to one page to another page where you are in, right? So here how we are forwarding to one page to another page. Space is for next page and B is for page wise next page and current previous page, and enter and small y is for next line and previous line wise, and slash is for search, and here small n is for the next occurrence, capital N is for previous occurrence, and already we know that small g and capital G. Small g is for move the beginning of the line, capital G is for end of the line. So here if in case we want to open the file with the line numbers, then we go with this hyphen n, capital N, and file name. And if you want to open the all files in one directory, we go with the less star. And if in case you want to open single file location, that is a file list, you maintain the file list and you can enter this. Automatically it opens the all listed files in that particular file. And this is less is like a more command, but more flexibilities are there, like a searching and navigating one page to another page. The sort is based on the character, based on the file character, the files will be altered. Like this file is there, it having a 20 lines or 30 lines, we can filter this one, we can sort out this one. Suppose that when you are using sort file name, by default it can be a ascending order, it will be but when you are using a sort hyphen or recursively you can do this one, then it will be going to descending order file name. And you can filter this one, sort hyphen u eliminates duplicate values, it will be prints like unique values. And F is for case sensitive. So in this way we can search. And here how we are opening that, we can check this with examples. Open command prompt. Here I want to, right now I am in present working directory files directory, right? So here I want to open one particular file, that is a sort 123, that is cat sort 123.txt. it opens, it will be opens like this. And when I am using a sort 123, you observe the output will be different, the capital letters. And how it will be sort? By default ascending order. Then you observe recursively, then the order will be like hyphen or, it will be opens like this, reverse order. And if in case you want to, you required only unique values, some duplicate values are there, hyphen u and sort 123.txt. So but here you observe, here cat is there and one more cat is there, right? Means there are case sensitive is implemented, means as per Linux operating system, this cat and this cat both are different. But I don't want to require that one, I require complete sort, right? I want to do complete sort, hyphen u hyphen f, I want to ignore that, and sort 123, and I want to open. Just you observe, there is no duplicate file, there is no files here, right? There is no duplicate values. And what I am getting this one, that altered values I want to store in different file, that is my sort dot txt. That file is created. Then you open cat my sort, so it will be created. With the help of sort, what happens? Ascending order, descending order, and duplicate values also we can clear the duplicate values. Next we need to discuss less command. Less, I want to open the file less command. There is one interview questions, one question is there, interview, right? Less interview file is there, interview.txt. so there are number of files. So there is, we can travel next page and previous page, next page and previous page. And if in case you want to search here, just to press enter colon, then I want to enter what, just observe what is there, 3 times it occurs, but with there are different times it plays. Just you observe, this is a case sensitive, actually it implements case sensitive. What? So what is our occurrence? Just next occurrence, and previous occurrence capital N, right? If in case I want to open like what, then you observe different will be opens. This is a what. Next occurrence small n, it will be opens, and already we know that small g beginning of the line and capital G ending of the line. This way we can travel with this less command. So clear Q. So here ls, how many files are there? There are number of files are there. So here I want to do like I want to open ls, less star. So I'll try how many files it opens, I don't know. First file, next in the sense, next abc, one more file, next. So it will be open all the files at a time, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.